Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the lipstick is sealed and the shade matches what you need. This prevents surprises. Once done, remove the cap and hold the tube upright so the click mechanism feeds evenly. Press the click one time only to advance about 1-2 millimeters of product. This gives you controlled coverage without breakage. Make sure to steady your hand. Overclicking pushes too much product and increases risk of snapping the tip, so be deliberate and listen for the soft click. Now you apply. If the lipstick is firm, warm it briefly on the back of your hand with 1 or 2 swipes so it glides smoothly. Then, starting at the center of your upper lip, glide the bullet outward toward the corners using light, controlled strokes. This distributes color evenly. Once done, use the angled edge of the bullet to define the cupid's bow and corners for sharper lines. If you need more coverage, click once more and blend. Gradual layering avoids cakiness. To finish, blot lightly with a tissue and reapply a thin layer for longer wear and an even finish. Once you're satisfied, clean any excess around the edges with a cotton swab and replace the cap securely to preserve texture and prevent drying. If you run into a problem, like smudging, set the color by dusting a small amount of translucent powder over a single-ply tissue. This locks the pigment without changing the shade. Make sure to store upright.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.